I feel much better when it's lighter later.
Lighter.
I love when it's light. Maybe I'm melting. Maybe my cold heart is melting a little bit after this winter time. Okay, so we have a huge box right here, and I think that there's a big surprise. So let's just jump in today. I'm done chit-chatting before the episode. This is gonna be a fun episode. I see an extra big box, which is, I'm hoping, a sign of an extra big surprise. You've got mail. Never seen the movie. Is the DVD in here? Do they even still make DVDs? They make DVDs? Does anyone have a DVD player? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, I do have mail. Do my eyebrows really look like that?
Those are eyelashes.
You are terrible. Cheryl, one of my coworkers, gave me bushy eyebrows. Those are not what my eyebrows look like. I pay big money, so my eyebrows don't look like that.
Eyelashes.
They're eyelashes. Okay. To Natalie from Natalie. I don't remember sending myself anything in the mail. But I do know what this is. It's the parcel! All right, guys, so for the first time on this YouTube channel, I have been allowed to actually think of a product, make said product, allow you all to have the opportunity to actually purchase a gemstone picked by me and my fellow gemologists here. And so we're super excited because today we get to talk about the parcel that a lot of you have actually purchased. I think we had about 100 of them. And what is so cool about this is that every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel, I talk about great gemstones. I talk about asterism and chatoyancy and color change. And I talk about going to Colombia and India. And we talk about the history of the business. And it's so cool. But what's really cool is being able to finally share that with you guys. And that is why I am so excited about giving you all your own gray box. Should we open it up? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my gosh! I can't really show you that because then they'll all fall out. Can you see that? Okay, so cool thing number 1, you all get your own gray box. Cool thing number 2, this is the first time we've done this on this YouTube channel, and I pray and I wish and I hope that we'd be able to do this many more times so you all can share in the magic of gemstones and you can see what I love. You know, maybe sometime we'll have a mineral specimen that you all have access to, or maybe sometime we'll have a cool book. I mean, the possibilities are endless, just like gemology. There's so many cool things in gemology. There's so many cool things coming down this channel. Hopefully more parcels for you guys. But before I jump in, we are gonna do a quick run through of all the stones that are in this box. Ready? Quartz, feldspar, onyx, jasper, emerald, snowflake obsidian, tiger's eye, rainbow moonstone, sodalite, labradorite, rose quartz, amethyst, chalcedony. All right, so we have this parcel, which is about 500 carats, and there are 13 stones that will be in every single parcel, and then there's extras that will be added to get to that 500 carats. But like I said, we hope to do this in the future, so if you want to catch future episodes filled with parcels and gemstones just for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Let's talk about what is actually in this box and what I am so excited about. Okay, so there's quite a few stones in here. And off the top of my head, I'm just gonna pick a couple favorites. All right, so right here, we have labradorite. We have rose quartz, and look, it matches my nail. How cool is that? We have amethyst. Love amethyst. Okay, and we have, I'm gonna do this. This is a chalcedony. It's probably dyed, but I absolutely love that color, and I just want to pop it in my mouth and chew on it. It looks like it'd be sweet. Stone number 1, labradorite. Why do I love labradorite? It's because of that Labrador essence. So the basis of this stone, it's often going to be kind of like a black, grayish, kind of a brown. And then you have these flashes of usually blues and greens. Occasionally you'll see like a yellow or a red or an orange. And those flashes of colors are actually called labradorescence. And labradorescence is a phenomenon. Other examples of phenomenons in the gem and jewelry business are asterism. So we've talked about star sapphires before. Chatoyancy. We did a really cool video about chatoyancy, which is called cat's eye, and you can check that out right here. But what's really cool about labradorescence is it has this phenomenon, and that phenomenon basically comes from this kind of like interference of light through different layers in the stone. You know, so it's a really cool way to learn about gemology, but what's also cool about labradorescence is you may have a stone that has flashes of blue and your friend may have another labradorite that has like flashes of yellow and green. So just because it's the same stone doesn't mean it's gonna look exactly alike. And I think labradorescence and these phenomenal stones are really a way to trigger your memory and you won't forget what you're looking at because it is so cool. So labradorite, you'll see it in jewelry. I think it's a really awesome piece to own for men and women. So whether this is your first kind of foray into collecting gemstones, or if you've been around business for a while, I think you will be extremely excited. Second stone that I absolutely love is rose quartz. Number one, I'm a girly girl. My favorite color is pink. You can see by my nails, they match. They kind of match. Number two, so quartz is really a very popular stone. Rose quartz, it gets that color from that, or it gets its name because it, you know, it kind of looks like a rose pink. Rose quartz is actually colored by trace amounts of titanium. As you know, quartz can come in a variety of different colors. We have another quartz, amethyst is quartz, but amethyst is purple. You know, rose quartz is just a really cool way to have that kind of like fresh look. And, you know, I think when you wear it in a pair of earrings or a necklace near your face, it kind of gives you, it makes you glow a little bit and look a little happier. And I don't know, who doesn't want a little pep in their step? And I think you can get that from rose quartz. My next pick for this parcel is actually amethyst, which is also a quartz. Amethyst is colored by iron. It is the February birthstone. This is actually my mom's birthstone, so happy birthday, Mom. There have been people in history who have believed that if you put an amethyst in your goblet, it would prevent you from becoming inebriated. It's like known to be kind of a regal stone. You will look at some of the jewelry in the British monarchy and you'll see amethyst, and it's kind of that just regal, really deep purple. So right here we have Chalcedony, and I'm guessing this is a dyed green Chalcedony. Chalcedony is a variety, or is a type of microcrystalline or cryptocrystalline quartz. Hey, we have a theme going right here with quartz. Very, very cool thing about Chalcedony is that it is the primary component in petrified wood. Huh? How cool is that? So if you have a piece of petrified wood, go take a look at that and see if you can figure out where there would be chalcedony. Now, chalcedony, like quartz, can come in a variety of different colors, different looks, and that is one thing we love about gemology. You never know what you're gonna get. You can get rubies that have stars on them and rubies that look like pigeon blood. One of my favorite varieties of chalcedony is chrysoprase because it is super, super green, and I wonder if this is chrysoprase. I would have to test this because I suspect it could be dyed. But we've talked about chrysoprase in the channel before, and it's just that really like bright, almost apple green look, and it's just so fresh and beautiful. I think the reason I was attracted to these four stones is because they kind of remind me of spring and some fresh, bright colors after the long doldrums of winter. All right, everyone, take a closer look at those flashes of color on this labradorite. They are absolutely beautiful, and I hope that you enjoy them as much as I do. This is a really cool stone, and it is truly phenomenal. Try to say that 10 times fast. Say phenomenal 10 times fast, because I know I can't. Last thing before I leave, and I promised I'm done. Susan at the Jewel School YouTube channel actually took one of these parcels and made some jewelry out of the pieces that we offered. And I think that's a super cool way for you all to kind of start thinking, get your mind moving about what you could do with your parcel. What maybe there's a gift for your best friend or your mom or your dad that you could make, or maybe you just want to spend your whole day IDing stones. The possibilities are endless, but go ahead and check out Susan's video for a few awesome ideas. She is really a true gem here at JTV, really knows her stuff, and I am fortunate to call her a friend. friend and colleague. This was fun. We hope to do this again. Comment below and let me know if you want us to offer more opportunities for you to purchase product. This in the future could be mineral specimens, it could be jewelry, it could be books, it could be more parcels, or even just a single gemstone that we devote a whole episode to, and then you can buy your very own. The possibilities are endless, but I need to hear from you. What do you want? Because at the end of the day, my team and I, we make these videos for our viewers, and there's 115,000 of you that we want you to be happy and interested in gemology and share our passion, just like everyone here at JTV. So, like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave me a comment about what you think, and don't forget to send us your reactions about the parcel. This is the best part of our day. We love seeing that, and the hashtag was JTV Gems. All right, guys, so I am gonna split out of here, and I'm gonna go look at some more gemstones and maybe wrangle Elizabeth and Christopher to try and help me find some more specimens that we can maybe offer on the channel in the future. In the meantime, remember, don't side ID and take your time to really figure out what is going on in your parcel. There are some really beautiful, bright, gorgeous stones in here, and I just can't get enough of them.